In this video, we are going to answer a very specific type of question. Which statement does not accurately describe how your company's performance is scored on the best in industry standard? We do not have the answer choices, so instead, I will teach you how to identify the incorrect statement by understanding how scoring systems like this are usually built. We'll go slowly, use a visual rubric, and finish with a quick recap. First, let's build an intuitive model of what a best in industry standard usually measures. Most standards are based on a rubric with several categories. Each category has a weight, and your final score is a weighted sum. So, statements that ignore weights or claim every category counts equally are often incorrect. We will draw a sample rubric to make this clear. Now, let's connect this to the question. Suppose a statement says, your score is just the simple average of all categories. That would not be accurate if the rubric uses weights. We can show the weighted score formula to make this idea precise. The final score equals each category score times its weight, all added together. Second, many best in industry standards are relative, not absolute. That means your score is compared to a peer group or industry benchmark. A statement that says, your score is based only on your internal numbers with no comparison to others, is often incorrect if the standard is benchmark-based. Let's visualize that idea using a simple comparison bar chart. Third, standards often normalize data. That means they convert raw data into a standard scale, like 0 to 100, or a percentile. So if a statement says, the score is just the raw number of units sold with no scaling, that is suspicious. We can show a simple scale to emphasize normalization. Let's compile a short checklist of statements that are often incorrect. If a statement says, 1. All categories are weighted equally when the rubric uses different weights. 2. There is no benchmarking when the standard is industry comparative. 3. Raw data is used without any normalization when the standard uses a scale. Any of these statements could be the incorrect choice. We'll show this checklist so you can remember it during tests or interviews. Recap time. To find the statement that does not accurately describe how scoring works, look for a claim that contradicts the standard structure. Check for weights. Check for benchmarking. Check for normalization. If a statement ignores any of those when they are part of the standard, that statement is likely incorrect. This method works even when the answer choices look similar. Thanks for watching, and remember, always match the statement to the actual scoring rules.